Hi, I wanted to share with you a bundled kit that we offer our customers as a savings. It includes some of the best of the basics. So this is our premium kit, and in it you get a variety kit of chiffonettes, a set of 3, and you can choose whatever color of the variety kit you'd like. You would get the set of mini scrubettes and a large scrubette, so a set of 2 scrubettes. You get the mini dish soap in the mint and exotic verbena. And then you get the stainless steel pump, which you just need to put together. Since this is the smaller dish soap, you'll want to trim off the end a little bit, but you want to leave it long enough so it crimps to the corner of the bottle, so you can get every last drop. You also will get the Neti Pure bar to help clean your chiffonettes, and it's a great stain remover. And then the large cleaning clay. And then you also get our amazing luxury kitchen towel in stone. So that is the premium kit. It's a $144.50 value for $125. You would also qualify for the free gift with purchase with this purchase. We also do have a smaller kit. It's called the starter kit. It includes the variety kit of chiffonettes, so the same variety kit, and the scrubette, but instead of the luxury kitchen towel, you would get the essential kitchen towel in the fig color. You get the Neti Pure bar, and instead of the large cleaning clay, you get a small sample size of the cleaning clay. So really there's a big difference in that. And then the other difference is instead of the stainless steel pump, you get the white pump. And so that is $101.70 value for $89. So these starter bundles could be a great way to get started. It's a great housewarming gift or bridal gift as well. Or maybe you have a beach house or a camper, or you may just want another set of products. This bundled savings is a great way to do that and take advantage of some of the best of the basics.